Hello everyone. We are introducing PDF2ID Professional Suite 2025 today, which is the third major release of the product. PDF2ID Professional Suite converts PDF to InDesign, PowerPoint to InDesign, and allows for batch extracting graphics and images from PDF files. With the latest release, we added PDF to Office 2025 to the suite, now allowing conversion of PDF to Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. So you now get 4 tools in one package. Here we have InDesign 2025 running, and as you can see, you have both PDF2ID and DecksMoveIn within the Microsoft menu. We also have PDF to Assets, which is right here, this window right over here, and we now have PDF to Office right over here, and they operate independently of InDesign. Going back to InDesign 2025. So to convert PowerPoint to InDesign, we use DecksMoveIn. To convert PDF to InDesign, we use PDF2ID. It's pretty simple. So let's see both of them in action. We're first going to use PDF2ID to convert a PDF to InDesign. Just select a PDF, click Open, and click OK. And there you go. A PDF is converted. Now, to convert PowerPoint to InDesign, again, choose DecksMoveIn, take the PowerPoint file, open, and OK, and it'll convert. So both DecksMoveIn and PDF2ID simply work seamlessly with InDesign 2025. PDF to Office, which is new to the suite, is used for converting PDFs to Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. As you can see, Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. And PDF to Assets, as you can see here, is for extracting images and graphics from PDF files. To find out more about PDF2ID Professional Suite, please visit us at www.microsoft.com. Thank you for joining us today. Goodbye.